Did you know you're only one click away from getting your hands on 15 market-proven, award-winning traffic and commission apps for less than the price of one? Hey, it's Glynn here, and to kick off this holiday season, the team and I want to do something really special for you. We know it's been a tough year for many reasons, especially if you're new or struggling with online marketing, so what we've done is hand-selected 15 of the best apps of 2020 that we're using right now to make thousands of dollars per day, and we're giving them all to you for less than the price of one. But this is an extremely time-sensitive offer, so when the timer on this page counts down, this closes down for good. The apps inside the Christmas commission bundle are personal favorites of mine because they're so beginner friendly, responsible for too many customer success stories to count, and for hundreds of people making their first ever commissions online. There are dozens of income streams available to you in these apps, generate income in a wide range of niches, so if you've ever wanted to turn a passion into profits, this is your chance. Inside, you'll unlock multiple systems for free viral traffic, passive, recurring, and high-ticket income solutions, automated funnels for commissions and lead generation, done-for-you affiliate review sites, passively monetized websites, even done-for-you video sites to drive floods of free traffic and turn other people's videos into leads and commissions. Bottom line is there's something for everyone inside the Christmas commission bundle. Use one app or use them all. They're 100% cloud-based, accessible from anywhere, and fully supported. Each app has been a top seller and prize winner on the Warrior Plus network. People have voted with their wallets, confirming they deliver better than anything else in their categories. Each app is built on cutting edge technology, so you're getting winning solutions that are working right now. Industry leading step-by-step training walks you through setup and how to maximize your results. And because we're 100% committed to your success, you're covered with our epic customer support. So if you've got questions, we've got answers. What it all adds up for you, besides the amazing value, is the easiest way to create multiple income streams regardless of experience. You don't need an existing email list or social media audience. You don't need technical skills. You sure as hell don't need any traffic budget. And because hosting for every page and site is included, you can run these apps with no overhead costs at all. Once you get access by clicking the button below, you can log into any of the cloud-based apps, watch a simple how-to video, and have a profit-ready campaign that runs practically on autopilot live in minutes. It's that fast and that easy. Christmas commission bundle is perfect for beginners or anyone that struggled with complicated methods before. It's a no-brainer if you're a busy marketer wanting extra income streams you can set up fast, and it's ideal for lifestyle marketers that want to turn their personal interests into profits. You pay well over $300 to buy these apps separately, and even that's a great deal. But under $20 for all 15, it's pretty close to a Christmas miracle. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at your favorite coffee shop. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're gonna get them absolutely free. The only catch, this truly is a limited offer that's just around for a very short time. When it's gone for good. You're covered with our rock solid 180-day money back guarantee, so you have absolutely zero risk whatsoever. Pick this up now and try out the entire bundle for a full 6 months, and if for any reason you're not blown away, you can get a prompt refund within any time up to 180 days from now. That's how confident we are you're going to absolutely love this. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we will get you that prompt refund. This is an absolute no-brainer, so hurry and take action right now because the price of the Christmas commission bundle is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want to make a real change in your life with our bundle of award-winning traffic and commission apps, click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to this incredible bundle at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about what's on offer, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. You can see more details about each app below, but honestly, this is such a powerful package at such a tiny price. Grab yours now by clicking below while it's still available. I'll see you on the inside.